Welcome to our channel. Here's a simple at-home exercise routine that can help you work towards a flatter belly. Wait! Before starting the belly fat video, I introduce you with Alpilean weight loss supplement, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Week 1. Establish a routine start with 20-30 minutes of exercise per day, gradually increasing the intensity. Focus on core strengthening exercises such as plank. Begin with 20-30 seconds and gradually increase the duration. Keep your body in a straight line, engaging your core muscles. Crunches. Do 3 sets of 15-20 crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Cross your arms over your chest and lift your upper body off the ground. Leg raises. Perform 3 sets of 10-15 leg raises. Lie on your back with your hands under your hips. Lift your legs to a 90-degree angle with the floor. Bicycle crunches. Do 3 sets of 15-20 bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Bring your right elbow and left knee toward each other while extending your right leg, and then switch sides. Week 2. Intensify your workouts. Increase the duration of your workouts to 45 minutes to an hour. Add some cardio exercises like jumping jacks. Do 3 sets of 30 jumping jacks in between core exercises to get your heart rate up. Mountain climbers. Include 3 sets of 20 mountain climbers. Get into a push-up position and alternate bringing your knees towards your chest. Russian twists. Add 3 sets of 15-20 Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, lean back slightly, and twist your torso to touch the floor on each side. Week 3. Maintain and refine. Continue your routine from week 2, but increase the intensity and add variety. Week 3. Maintain and refine. Continue your routine from week 2, but increase the intensity and add variety. Side planks. Add side planks to your routine. Hold each side for 20-30 seconds, aiming to increase the time as you progress. Burpees. Incorporate 3 sets of 10 burpees for a full body workout. Stability ball exercises. Use a stability ball for exercises like stability ball rollouts and stability ball pikes to challenge your core. Wait! Before starting the belly fat video, I introduce you with Alpilean weight loss supplement, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful review, please keep this video and thumbs up, share comments, and subscribe my channel.